aim onto these so that they refer to the correct wheel suspension. Okay, now if you remember earlier on in this video I said that this is going to be a 4-wheel steer device, so what I need now is a negate node so that the wheels at the back go in the opposite direction. Negate. Okay, we can hook that up. And also I'm going to put a clamp in front of these so that the wheels cannot go at too steep an angle. And I usually clamp my steering at plus or minus half a radian. So clamp, and we go minimum minus 0.5, maximum 0.5. Okay, now we can connect all these fellas up. Front wheels and the back wheels. Okay, and one last thing we want is that little trick that I showed you in the first video, is where we need to set the steering it straight ahead for the first couple of frames so that the wheels don't wobble. And if you remember, the way we did that was to grab the frame counts. So we'll go time, delete, frame, and we've got to say when this is greater than 5. So we want logic compare, greater than 5. I'll just write this into its title bar, greater than 5. Okay, compare greater than 5, and this compare node is usually hooked up to its little brother down here, the condition node. Okay, so greater than 5, we'll select the second one. So the first input is the one when it's less than 5, which is a 0. Just double check. Yep, 0. Okay, so we can connect that up to the value. Now I think that's just about done. What I'm going to do with this, actually, I'm going to put it into an X group. And where are we? Convert to X group. This will just keep the interface nice and tidy. But this is just basically putting everything into one little window that I can close down. But I'm going to need an input to go into this steering. So on the inputs, I want I think it's going to be real. Yep. And I might as well rename that. I think we've got to ports show names. Yeah. I'll just rename this as steer, and I'll rename the group as 4-wheel steer.